I got a tool haul for you today. Went to Harbor Freight and picked up a few things, took advantage of some coupons, so let me show you what I got. Alright, so first up, obviously I got my free item. It really sucks that they don't have that many good coupons for free items anymore. It's like 3 things or something like that, but whatever. Picked up this clamp. This is a 6-inch swivel locking clamp. This was only $3.99. Got some pin nails. This is 23 gauge, 3/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and the 1 inch. Those were $5.99, $6.99, and $7.99. Picked up a male 1/4 inch NPT fitting. That was $1.39. Got these 6-pack of D batteries for $4.99 with a coupon. These are the alkaline, so they're a little better than the free ones, or the old free ones that used to have a coupon. I use that for my liquid transfer pump. Picked up this Forstner bit set. It's a 7-piece. It's got a 1/4, 3/8, 1/2 inch, 5/8, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, and 1 inch. I'm going to use that for this next item, which is this little mover's dolly. It's good for like 1,000 pounds, it says. With a coupon, I got that for $7.99. It's normally like $10.99. Yeah, I want to make a little cart out of it, like a tool cart or whatnot. I want to just roll it out to the driveway, and you know, put some legs and put a little tray on top of it with like a pad inside of it. And I'll use the Forstner bits to make some holes or whatnot if I need to. So yeah, figure instead of buying a cart, I'll just make like a little cheap one. Should do the job. And picked up the Banks pin nailer, 23 gauge. I got this for $22.49 with the 25% coupon that they had. I think this is like their middle brand of the good, better, best type deal. I read some reviews, or saw some reviews before I bought it. Doesn't seem too bad, so let's get into this. So it has a nice little blow molded case. Definitely decent. It's got plastic slide hinges, but not a big deal. Instructions, of course. Comes with the Allens. I'm not sure what that is for exactly, not yet. Definitely like how compact it is, but being a pin nailer, I'm sure it needs to be. It's got the dial adjustment for 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch there. let's throw some oil in it and test it out a little bit. I guess it came with a NPT fitting, so I didn't need that. Let's check this out. Alright, so I got it oiled up. We're going to just test it out on some of this scrap 1/4 inch wood I have. Set it to try the 1/2 inch first. Set on 1/2. Obviously, always it's got arrows on it, so you know which direction to put them in. Just like so. I don't know if you saw that, nice and easy. It's only 1/2 inch, so it didn't go through it completely, but it's very fine. I don't know if you can even see that, if it'll zoom. It's definitely nice for finish work, trims and all that. Not too bad. I want to try the 1 inch, see if it'll go through completely. Let's adjust the dial. There we go. Amateur. Yeah, it definitely went through. Not too bad. I like it. Feels good. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Until next time. Later.